I invite you, fill me up to overflowing, restore my destiny, deliver me from defeat. May I have a
Good morning. It is a lovely Saturday morning. We're watching the CrossFit games. We're making protein waffles. I just did a live about how to get started. We talked about EQ and AQ and awareness and life and waffles and all of the things. So if you want to check it out, click here and we're giving away some mom fuel. So go watch the live to participate. Who wants another waffle? Can you catch it? Yeah. Are they good?
Yes, they're delicious.
What are you doing, babe? You watching the CrossFit games and getting pumped up? Are you going to compete someday? Honey, want to flex and show us your muscles? Show us how strong you are, babe. Okay, Amelia's going to show us her kipping. We're working on, what is this called?
A kipping muscle up.
A muscle up. Okay. Practicing. Oh, yeah. That's her goal, is to get a muscle up. We just are in the very process of it. One more. You're ready for the CrossFit games.
Yeah.
All right, this is what Dad put up. Let's see what you got, Amelia.
He said it broke in swing.
Ooh! How high is that? How many feet?
Probably 20.
20 feet? Because you can't really tell in the video.
That's how high the
We have high ceilings. Good job.